Do you want to master the top 5 must have skills in any business to grow by 10x? Hey, my name is Datta Tule. I'm a digital growth consultant and Facebook ad expert and coaching over 20,000 people. And after doing all those things, I have realized there are 5 skills you must master in order to build your $1 million business. Okay, so without any further delay, please grab your pen, paper, diary and make a lot of notes. If you are struggling to get leads, if you are struggling to grow your business, your advertising is not working, sales is not converting, you are not getting quality leads, or you are not able to sustain in the business, might be one of this skill is not missing in your business. Okay, so without any further delay, let me take you on my screen and let me share the top 5 skills. Okay, awesome guys. So let's go on my screen and let me share step by step here. जैसे कि आप मेरा स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हो यहाँ पे, the first skill, like what is the intention? This video I will be discussing about 3 parts. First, my pure intention, how to get higher ROI on your marketing, on your sales, while you get lot of customer, lot of sales. But this is मतलब बोलने की बात नहीं है. There is a formula that you need to know, and I will be revealing my 5 secret skills which you can master in your business and grow your business online. Okay, so first of all I will be sharing you top 5 skills and I will be go detail as well. मैं detail में जाने वाला उसके अंदर, plus I will be giving the gifts. Please watch this video till the end as I will be giving you special gift as well. Awesome. So here we go. The first skill, listen to me here. So guys, now I want to share one thing here. बहुत सारे लोगों को कोचिंग करने के बाद, कोचिंग thousands or 20,000 people, I realize people do only marketing, and the marketing is the very important part. It can be like Facebook marketing, it can be YouTube marketing, offline marketing, online marketing. So in order to sustain and dominate, the first must have skill is the marketing. Like getting quality laser target, listen to me, getting quality laser targeted leads for your business 24/7. ये skill बहुत important है. So what you can do, like you might be running like massive targeted traffic to your offer or funnel. जो कुछ भी आपका offer है, funnel है, you need to get massive targeted customer. It can through Facebook ad. I am in like pioneer in that one, Instagram, YouTube, organically, paid, cross promotion, affiliate, influencer. There are medium, like so many mediums are there. The must have skill you need to master. But guys, if you are doing this only one skill, that is not going to help you. And I realize people are running ad, Facebook ad, and they say that I am not getting result. यार मुझे result नहीं आ रहा है, and I am not able to scale my business. तो क्या challenge है? This is important. But there is another skill number 2 that you need to master. Here we go. List building, guys. Listen to me. This is the list building skill. Like list building in the sense, like जो कुछ भी lead आते हैं, you can build the list. Email list, SMS list, Telegram channel, Facebook group, a messenger many chat you can use. Like I'm using ConvertKit. If you want to learn more, I will be giving the link as well below. SMS list, Telegram channel, Facebook groups, messenger. Like you can see on my channel as well. Like this is my Facebook group. I have the Facebook group, like Digital Startup Igniter. That group is there, and I have like Telegram group. I have the Telegram channel. You can see on my channel, like I have Telegram channel. This is my channel here, like High Performance Marketing Skill by Datta. Telegram channel, email list, SMS list. I mean to say you can do anything there, but you need to master all this skill. Like जो traffic आता है, उसको आपको store करना चाहिए. And list building very important. Otherwise, the first skill is useless. I mean to say, in the long term, that will not help you to grow your business. Okay. The first skill was traffic equal to like people and you can achieve through the marketing. Second, list building. Start doing immediately. My friend, if you are watching this video, are you building the list? List is the biggest asset in your business. Are you doing all that one? You can share details in comment below. How are you building the list in your business? इसमें से कौन से tool आप use कर रहे हो? Email, SMS, Telegram. Let me know in the comment box. Okay? That is important part. But दोस्तों, there is third skill. If you really, we are in 2021 and we want to grow your business, and there's a third skill that I want to talk about: sales and conversion, or conversion and sales. Very must have skill. You do whole marketing, you do the list building and everything, but inability to convert leads into sales, then you cannot grow your business. The third skill you must master the sales and conversion. How you can do that one? दोस्तों इसके लिए आपके पास होना चाहिए जबरदस्त ऑफर. जबरदस्त ऑफर in the sense irresistible offer. People can't afford to miss. In my workshop, I teach all these in my funnel building, in my FDP challenge. I talk about this one. I learn from Russell Brunson and other things. But irresistible offer, कि जबरदस्त ऑफर होना चाहिए. Second, you can use Zoom meeting, webinar, phone call, direct selling, one-to-one funnel. It can be anything. Okay, channel you can use. And इसके अंदर sales closing tools like handling objection. आपके prospect and आपका जो sales है इसके बीच में जो objection आते हैं, how to handle that one. That is also very important skill you can learn and master. Okay, the sales objection handling skill. And the powerful presentation. दोस्तों, I am talking about the powerful presentation, the energy, the strategy, the delivery, the influence. Those things are really important in the sales and conversion. I have given some ideas, but what are you doing right now? Are you struggling into your sales and conversion? दोस्तों, I do webinar like that when I cross 2.5 lakhs, 2 lakh plus in the 3 hours. I do that kind of things. Okay. And initially I was struggling. Nobody is special, but you can learn by practice. Okay. So in the sales and conversion, आपके पास जबरदस्त ऑफर होना चाहिए. Zoom meeting, webinar, phone call, direct sellings. You can use any of this medium. Sales coaching, objection handling skills is really important, and the powerful presentation. But guys, do you really want to 10x your business? Then there is a fourth skill I want to recommend you: communication and copywriting skill. I call it the fourth pillar as well. So what is this one? The influence building. I'm just creating this video, right? You might be watching my YouTube or my Facebook. This skill is really important. Or your ad copy creation, presentation, sales video, or anything you speak, write, record. Okay, listen to me. The copywriting in the sense anything you speak, write, record, whatever is there, the powerful skill. Now I'm speaking to you. It's the communication skill. Right now I'm sitting at my home and transforming my energy to with you. You are watching video, and I would like to invite you for my workshop as well. Okay, so basically this is really important part. Influence building, speaking on the camera, the sales and skills, very important. Okay, right now, and that there is a dosto. If you really want to build the longest community, and I mean to say the 10x business growth, then there is a skill called tribe building. Tribe building or community building. The community build करना बहुत जरूरी है. Right now I'm having traffic and funnel domination community, digital autopilot having community, and there are different communities, miracle morning communities, all communities are there. So you can start to building like community building. What you can do, what is the benefit of that one? आप देख सकते हो benefits. I hope you are making note. Guys, make this note. These are the $1 million strategies I learned from my mentor. I am personally practicing, and you must do that one if you really want to grow. Okay, the tribe building, like how the customer, if you want customer for lifelong, this is amazing skill. One mission, one community, accountability, support system आप provide कर सकते हो. Identity, लोगों को identity चाहिए. Now my students say that कि I am the part of traffic and funnel domination community or DH community, the warrior community. That is important. And दोस्तों, massive movement. You see all the Mahatma Gandhi, the Mother Teresa, the Narendra Modi, or you take it any big name influencer, they have the massive movements. Okay, so that's the reason tribe building. How can you do that one? You can create Facebook group, Telegram group, WhatsApp group, and nurture them, bring all them together, set up the rules so that people can get support, accountability. Okay, so that is the fifth most must-have skill. In my case, my relationship start after selling. I have thousands of students. I am coaching them across the India, and some people are from globe as well. Okay, so now let me recap the top 5 must-have skills. The first skills: traffic marketing. Getting laser targeted traffic through the Facebook online marketing is important. Then list building, email list, SMS list, Telegram group, Facebook group. आप इसमें से कितने skill build कर रहे हो? What you are doing, let me know. And conversion skill, guys, highly paid skill like creating irresistible offer, Zoom meeting पे use कर सकते हो, webinar, phone, sales closing. Those skills are really important. Powerful presentation is really important. Communication and copywriting is must-have skills. Like you can do influence building, ad copy creation, presentation, and other things. Okay, and the tribe building is really important. The how the customer for lifelong. one mission, one community is must have skills. If you master these 5 skills, believe me, nobody can stop you from taking your business to 10x. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि दादा 10x बिजनेस कैसे करना है, ऐसा बटन दबाया ऐसा नहीं होता है. You need to do something for that one. Okay, if you love this video, I want you to please share your detailed learning below. If you like this video, शेयर योर डिटेल लर्निंग बिलो. आई मीन टू से इसमें से कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजी आप इंप्लीमेंट कर रहे हो. व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट वन अबाउट दिस वीडियो. इफ यू लव दिस वीडियो, प्लीज शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. ऑल्सो इफ यू वांट टू मास्टर मोर थिंग्स एंड यू वांट टू like be part of my community, I would like to invite you that one. You can go to datatule.co/formula, where I teach like high performance traffic and funnel building community, Facebook ads. You can click on the button below as well and check more details. But now let me talk to you. See guys, if you have the big vision, the big mission, big purpose, and you want to grow your business to the next level, you tried, you failed, you are struggling, I want to give one advice before I wind up. Have some mentor, have some guide, have some hand holding support, and I believe you can do that one. If I can do that one, anyone can do that one. If you really genuinely like this video, share with your 3 friends, and also share your comment below what you like from this video, or what would you like to learn. Give me your suggestions so that I can create video on that part. Also, if you really want to master this kind of skill, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and that really inspired me. Hit the bell button so that you will be getting notification. Share with your 3 friends and have a great learning. Datta Tule, digital growth consultant, and coaching over 20,000 people. I'm looking forward to help you and guide you and support you, and whatever you want, I can do it for you. Okay guys, thank you very much. Signing off for today. Until we meet in the upcoming video. Never stop learning, never stop growing. Dhanyawad. Thank you very much.